inconsistent quality,
slower workflows,
missed deadlines,
lost sales.
Hey everyone, I'm Brad, your creative director here at PVS Studios. Today I want to talk to you about something that most brands overlook, the cost of not using a professional imaging partner.
When you try to handle product photography yourself, you're not saving money. You're just shifting the burden onto your team. And suddenly, you have to focus on photography, which isn't your company's focus. Instead of investing in cameras, lighting equipment, editing software, training, and time, you should be growing your business, refining your product, and serving your customers. Leave delivering consistent, high-quality images to us. It's all we do all day, every day. When you don't partner with a studio like PVS, you risk inconsistent quality, slower workflows, missed deadlines, and ultimately, lost sales. But when you work with PVS, you gain time, clarity, and a team that treats your brand like our own. We want to be your partner, not just your photographer.
So if you're ready to elevate your imagery, contact us. We look forward to working with you.